following message has been transmitted at the request of the Minneapolis Police Department. Reports came in from the hospital and the police about people being infected by an unknown virus. There are rumors are saying that this virus is coming from the lollipop and when they lick it. So far, that cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents in Minneapolis is strongly advised not to eat any lollipop for your safety. Stay tuned for more information and updates.
An administrative message has been issued for your area. Since around a few minutes ago, multiple people have gotten infected by an unknown virus, which it has been transferred through any kinds of lollipop. However, this virus does not affect other types of candy, only the lollipops. If you have accidentally eaten the contaminated lollipop, report yourself to the hospital immediately. The CDC has given this virus a name. This virus name is the lollipop virus. Here is the lollipop virus symptoms. These symptoms include, but are not limited to, coughing, stomachache, headache, vomiting, blurry vision, coughing out blood, vomiting blood, fatigue, muscle pain, and slurred speech. If you have been contacted by a virus, call the hospital immediately. The CDC will try and find the cure to this virus, and stay tuned for more information and updates. Again, this is an administrative message for your area.
Evacuation has been issued for the city of Minneapolis. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Minneapolis Police Department. After people have been infected by a lollipop virus and gotten into a coma, they've woken up, but looking like a zombie pumpkin. These zombies are fast and can infect people in their mind. These zombies have the following characteristics: skin made out of pumpkin, eyes lighting up like a jack-o'-lantern, sharp teeth, and sharp claws. These zombies should be avoided at all costs. If you are still in the city of Minneapolis, you must evacuate immediately. In addition, these pumpkin zombies can set things on fire, and these zombies has the ability to bring any pumpkins to life, causing the situation to be harder for the police who are fighting off against these pumpkin zombies. Remember to evacuate and bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Please evacuate now.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department.
and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The pumpkin zombie has spread into more states. These states include, but are not limited to the following: Wisconsin, Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, Michigan, Nebraska, South Dakota, and North Dakota. These zombies are causing massive damage throughout these states. Evacuation is strongly advised if these zombies are continuing to spread. This message will repeat shortly.
This is the emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of myself, the Vice President, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A national emergency has been declared due to ongoing crisis that is not only the United States, but somehow the whole world. Many countries across the world are reporting a zombie pumpkin attack. Massive damage has been reported across the world, and around 1 million deaths have been reported. All military are trying to stop these pumpkin zombies, but failed as the pumpkin zombies are too powerful, and it is expected that these pumpkin zombies will wipe out humanity in the next few minutes. All residents are strongly advised to gather your family and embrace for the end. Do not tell younger children about the event. This station will remain off the air for our final time. Goodbye everyone, and we will play the national anthem.